Yeah, we here with it with this YSL. These niggas taking plea deals and then not taking plea deals. All type of snitch shit going on. But hey, they not taking the plea deal, so maybe they not trying to snitch no more or whatever the fuck. You feel me? Whatever. You feel me? So I get high. I was just sipping on that Tito's. You feel me? Let me know in the comments if you fuck with them Tito's. You know what I'm saying? I don't even drink, but my favorite drink is Tito's. Feel me? Yeah, Tito's. Let's get straight to this bitch.
She has not put that on record for purposes of
Fuck your record, Jay.
posterities, but she's
I'm just playing. If I ever get in court, don't play this video. Y'all need to be tripping.
ready to do that this time, okay?
We're ready, Michael.
Damn, she kind of thick, nigga. Hold on. Who she represent? Prosecutor
Ready, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am, go right ahead.
or
Your Honor,
attorney?
as it relates to Mr. Tinquarius Mender, Mr. Mender is charged with count one of the indictment, conspiracy to violate the Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act, which carries a sentence of 5 to 20 years. He's also charged with count 44 of the indictment, which is possession of a weapon by an incarcerated individual, which carries a sentence of 1
Here,
to 5 years.
weed in my
Count
mouth and shit.
45, possession of a telecommunication device by an incarcerated individual, which
Right.
carries a sentence of 1 to 5 years. And last, count 46, which is participation in criminal street gang activity, which carries a sentence of 5 to 20 years.
God damn. I said we ain't tripping. 1 to 5 years. You know what I'm saying? We hold it down. 5 to 10, 20 years. Shit. Y'all niggas folding like a pretzel. I ain't gonna lie.
Mr. Mender is an ANC recidivist. The state did file a recidivist notice on December 9th of this year. If Mr. Mender was found guilty of all the counts in the indictment, he'd be looking at a maximum exposure of 50 years to serve in prison.
And now, could you explain the difference, I think, for Ms. I'm sure that Ms. Fagan has probably explained that to her
Free
client.
dog.
But can
If you
you
ain't
tell
snitching.
Mr., for the benefit of the record and for
Don't fuck
Mr.
with
Mender's
snitches.
benefit, what potentially
Nah, for
may
real.
happen if he were to be convicted of any of these particular counts? Like what would, under A or C?
Yes, if he's convicted of any of the counts as an ANC recidivist.
She thick as hell. But look though, we here with that eggnog, you know. Get your ass right through the holidays, you feel me? Tell me why when I was a kid I used to think eggnog was it had alcohol in it. Cause I couldn't never get none. It was an adult drink. Ain't no alcohol in this shit. I don't think.
Mr. Mender, you would have to get the maximum
No.
amount on for that charge, and then whatever time the court gives you, which if was be the
What's
maximum,
her
you have
at?
to spend every day.
I need her representing me.
Which means you have to spend every day in custody.
He get no good time.
No.
It's a to the door sentence.
Yes, he would get any credit for a time
Them niggas-
served.
Of course.
Y'all seen them niggas in the back right there just talking? Hold on, I'm gonna take it back. My bad, I'm a little distracted. My bad, but shit, she's a distraction. Look at this shit. They over there talking about that ass right now. They getting a good view. No, I swear to God.
Spend
Look at
every
that
day in
shit.
custody.
He get no good time.
He ain't
No.
trying
It's
to
a to the door
live.
sentence.
Somebody
Yes, he would get any credit for a time served.
Of course, yeah,
But
absolutely.
anything
Right.
else would be a full sentence door to door.
So his max is 50 years?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and what's the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor. The state's offer for Mr. Mender as to count one is 16 years to serve 1 year, commuted to time served, with
Okay.
the balance of 15 years on probation.
Okay.
The
Okay, so she said 16 years, I think she said, with 15 years of probation for a plea deal is crazy. 15 years? Nigga, you getting locked back up unless you're a fucking full-blown civilian shit. Like, come on now. Damn, she thick. What the fuck?
The
And I don't think she
state
know
would offer
attorney.
that
I think
his
she the
probation could be terminated upon successful completion of the first 10 years of
prosecutor
this
side
sentence,
or some
provided that
shit.
he violated no
I don't know.
provisions of the agreement or no special conditions
Maybe
of the
not.
agreement, and that he violates no law of the state of Georgia. As to count 44, the state's recommendation is 5 years to serve 1 year, commuted time served, with a balance to be served on probation, concurrent with count one. As to count 45, it would be 5 years to serve 1 year, commute to time served in confinement. Commute to time served, followed by 4 years on probation, concurrent with counts 1 and 44. And count 46 would be 16 years to serve 1 year, commute to time served, followed by 15 years on probation, concurrent with count 1, 44, and 45. Would be the offer. Mr. Mender also is currently on another indictment.
Man, see, I'll be 333. But look, I be man. I've been with a bitch that's like on some on some working for like the state type shit, working for the government type shit. Bro, we do not mix at all, you feel me? It's like nigga, we smoked and that was that, nigga. I'm like, I'm straight. Like I don't get what it was, nigga. But hey, she can still get it, you feel me?
21 SC
I ain't, I ain't saying nothing
178-250.
crazy.
In this case, as a part of the agreement, would run
Free
concurrent
dog.
with that case whenever he resolved that other case, Your Honor.
Is that before me or before
Free
another
thug.
division?
It is in this division currently, Your Honor, and that's being handled by
Damn, how old is bruh? In the face, he look like 25, maybe 30. Nigga in the hair, this nigga look 60, 70. Nigga, Jesus Christ.
ADA Lauren Jansen with the state.
That's probably die.
I don't fight for myself.
Hell yeah, that's probably die, bro. I don't give a fuck
Fight
about this
for
weak
my
ass
team.
advertisement of Valorant, nigga. Keep showing this weak ass advertisement like I'm finna go download the game, nigga. Fuck your
Does he have
game, nigga.
bond on that case ending in
Fuck is you
250?
saying?
I
Hell
don't believe he has a
no.
bond on that case. No,
He
he
does
has a no bond status.
Damn.
But on this case, is potentially he could go home today.
Correct. If he was given a bond, this case, he would not have served any jail time on
All
this
right.
case.
Okay.
And that offer will also conclude today, Your Honor.
All right.
And get the camera off of him, man. What y'all trying to
Ms.
do? What
Fagan,
y'all
have you
trying to do, man?
communicated that to your client
What y'all
in
trying to
terms
do?
of is that to correctly summarize the plea agreement or the potential plea offer, I should say?
The only change was that he wasn't aware.
Wait, so this must be his attorney since she's sitting next to him. So the black lady, who is she? You know what I'm saying? Because I need her number, and if she work for prosecutor, then I really need her number. Because if I get in some shit, you feel me? I need her to get me out smoothly. You feel me?
Of the concurrent
Without
status
pleas.
for
You
the
feel me?
second
Just
case.
just some smooth,
At this time, though,
or maybe a plea that doesn't involve no, you know what I'm saying? No stupid shit, no snitching shit on myself or others. Nigga. Yes, nigga, not on myself. Motherfuckers be snitching on themselves, dumb as hell. Nigga, that's why I don't talk. Like I know how to not snitch on myself because they just gonna ask me the same questions in different ways, or they, you know what I'm saying? It's just better just not to say shit. Just don't talk. Don't get your
he
lawyer.
still
You know what I'm saying?
maintains a not guilty plea.
If you a minor, if you under 18 or under 17, maybe in some states, nigga, know your rights, nigga. If the police trying to talk to you and you a minor, tell they ass, I'm a minor. You can't talk to me until my parents get here. Nigga, tell they ass that, nigga. Cause they can't. You know what I'm saying? They gonna act like they gonna try to take them rights from you. You know what I'm saying? Make it because they might, oh, you don't know what I know because you ain't go through the training. You feel me? The more you know, head ass. That's real shit though.
Sure.
Respectfully requests rejects the offer, and we announce ready for trial.
Okay, Mr. Mender, I'll tell you and I'll tell Mr. Beatty and Mr. Stevens the same thing, okay? At this point, You have the absolute right to plead not guilty, and that's what the law will presume, and the court will, of course, instruct that you have a presumption as the presumptions
Right,
and protections you enjoy as a criminal accused. You have to
right,
decide for yourselves what you want to do in this particular case. Um, Depending upon the results or the outcome of the trial. The only thing I would tell you, Mr. Mender, is the most, and I'm sure that Ms. Fagan, she is a very fine attorney. Seen her work. But
yeah, she is kind of fine. She kind of feeling that side. She trying to sleep with the judge. Come on, sleep with your boy. For real, man. Come sleep with your boy. Holla at me. You feel me? I drink lean pop pills. You ain't gonna like it over here. So don't come over here.
trials,
I don't do none
there's
of
one
that
thing
shit.
about
I
trials,
just don't
it's
want you.
uncertainty.
I just want to
You don't
fuck.
know what's gonna happen.
Feel me? So don't get
So
attached. Cause
you gotta beat
I
four
kill
counts.
people, real people. And the
If
chances
you
real
don't
is
beat
real
them, what
lethal
will
to
happen
real
is,
real.
under this A and C
See?
recidivist statute, I have to, under the law, sentence you to the maximum sentence. And then whatever I sentence you to,
Man,
you
shut
serve
your
to the death
bean
of the
head
door.
ass up.
That's not anything I have any discretion over. It's not anything.
Y'all let me know in the comments what state they in. I think this is Atlanta. I think this is an Atlanta judge. Just making sure I don't get this judge because I'm finna get the roasting this nigga. This nigga is the black Mr. Clean. Boy, if you don't get this nigga head look like a jelly bean. Oh, ugly ass. Your ass look like a black. Your ass look like a goddamn black licorice. Oh, ugly ass. I'm on a. Nah, this nigga head. Nah, this nigga head be like a walnut. You see that? See the little. That bitch go. Damn, that bitch forehead look like a goddamn pencil eraser, nigga. God damn, your shit going, boy. I bet you be asking your son to shave your head, huh? Nigga, shave what? Nigga, fuck is you saying? Nigga, ain't shit there. Nigga, damn, that mask fucking that nigga ear up. That nigga ear is crying out for Lord help me. Ear looking ass, boy. Your shit fucking crying. I'm on that with you. Fix your mask, cause you know that ear hurt, nigga. That nigga ear is crying out for help right now. That shit crazy. I'm finna get the rust in his ass. Hold on.
Because I don't like you or because of what you're being charged with.
That nigga voice do not match his looks. Oh, ugly ass. That nigga sound like a goddamn 30-year-old. Nigga look like he 52. Oh, ugly old ass boy. I'm on that with you, Judge. I'm
Those
glad
have
I ain't
nothing
in
to do
court, boy. That nigga would gave
with
my life just
anything.
for what I said.
That's what the state of
Swear to
Georgia, the
God.
legislature has
What his daughter look like.
mandated that I sentence you to. So one of
Damn,
the
that
things a
nigga ear
plea does
crying.
is
Look at that
you
shit.
know what you're getting. It caps your exposure.
Man, look at that nigga ear, man. Just zoom in. I ain't gonna zoom in. Just zoom in. Look at this shit. Fucking treacherous. Fuck. Shit hurts, doesn't
So,
it?
and
My
what the
nigga
state's
shit
telling you
him
today is if
leaves.
you take the plea today, this is what you're going to get, and this is what I probably sentence you
You
to,
like that shit
and you're
normal
done.
though.
You got to decide that for yourself. You
The
can't
little
be.
baby earring going on. You got a little baby earring. You feel me? Did that dragon just throw him up? That look like him. Oh, ugly
Worry about any of
ass.
these other folks that are attached to this indictment, because a plea is individual to that particular person for those particular reasons that he or she feels is a best interest to them, not anybody else. So, if you want a couple minutes
Bro,
out to talk with Ms. Fagan about
we know
that,
what we doing.
nobody will be the
Bean head,
wiser,
sardine head.
and certainly. But if you don't wish to do so, that's fine too. You'll get the fairest trial that the law demands and expects you to get. You will get
Right.
that. I,
Yeah.
as a trial judge, will make sure that that occurs.
Bro, what?
But one of the things I cannot do is I can't force the state at the end of trial to pull this recidivist notice.
Damn, this nigga.
If you get convicted,
That bitch
they
just
can
sitting there.
maintain it,
That bitch just sitting there nodding her head trying to fuck the judge. You stupid bitch.
and
I
you'll
don't
serve
even
every
want you
day
no
of it.
more. You just dick sucking judge over here.
And Miss Fagan
Look at
can
that
ask them
shit.
to pull it.
She seen him look at her. So she nodded her head. She wasn't gonna do that. He looked at her, so she was like, I'm paying attention, daddy. Look, oh, ugly ass. No, bitch.
And they can say no.
Mayonnaise looking
I can't
ass.
make them do that. So you got a lot to think about. So I'll give you a few more minutes to ponder that, because that is, when they file a recidivist notice, that they have basically, in poker terms, they've called.
Here go this nigga trying to change minds and shit. Bro, bro, I don't know what you trying to do, Judge, but it's not gonna work, man. You over here trying to make me snitch on the homies and shit, man. We ain't nothing but a group of fellas trying to get some
Like, what
cash.
do you want to
You feel me?
do? So
Nigga, what the fuck is a gangbang, nigga? Nigga, last time I heard of a gangbang, nigga, I seen 3 white bitches getting dicked down by a black nigga. You feel me? That's what I gangbang. Like what? Like they're just trying to do anything in their power, huh, to get rid of. Last time I seen the gangbang, that shit was on Pornhub. What is you saying?
I'll let you think about that, and you can let me know, and if
Like,
not,
huh?
then we'll see you next week for trial.
Like, what are you
Um,
talking about? Now she wanna talk to him, make sure she a good attorney, whatever. Look at this old bitch. This bitch, this bitch don't give no one fuck about this nigga. She somewhat cares. You feel me? This bitch don't give not one fuck, and this I ain't even saying that because she ain't talking yet. I could just tell straight up. She looking at this nigga like, man, I'm just doing my job. You feel me? Fuck this nigga. He probably did
Mr.
do it.
Beebe, where are you?
Look at
Here
him.
you are.
Yeah, this gotta be Atlanta. Look at them bitches over here being security guard, like you gonna really handle some shit when they go down.
We're in a similar situation. We
What
would
you gonna do,
reject the
mama?
state's offer
I'll beat your
as provided on record, Your Honor.
I'll
However,
beat your
Mr. Beebe would
Try to go put a taser. No, I'm straight. I don't
ask
want
the
no
court to
smoke, my baby.
forthwith hear a non-negotiated plea as to the indictment.
Damn, homie look like a
I
kid.
would.
If that's
Nah,
the
never
case,
mind.
Judge,
I
Mr.
was
Beebe
tweaking.
would then ask
That nigga look
if
probably
he does
20
not agree with
something.
Your
Probably
Honor's
20.
sentence, would the
You
court
feel me?
allow him to withdraw the plea and proceed to trial?
Damn, man, all these
Um,
niggas locked.
I need to think about
I
that for
know
just
they
a second,
sick.
okay?
Understood.
Just give me a minute, okay? But yes, that's more than fine.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Beebe, you got the same kind of, same discussion I had with with Mr. Mender applies to you, but let me just get back with you in just a second, okay?
Alright, bean head.
Mr. Stevens, where are you?
You fucking court. That nigga head built like
Okay,
a cordon bleu.
Madam, are you still talking with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm actually still exchanging text messages with the state. So
Okay,
Bitch, she
I'm
don't
gonna
give a
take,
fuck. Look at this bitch. Look at that face. Ugh, I don't even want to be here. Nigga. I know this nigga finna make me lose. And since I'm gonna lose, it's gonna be on my record. Look at this bitch.
a couple of minutes out and let you all continue to chat. I'm gonna just take a
I
recess,
hope I'm wrong.
and
She don't
I'll
look
come
like
back
she
in
give
just a
no
minute,
one
okay?
fuck.
thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, you're very welcome. All right.
I ain't even gonna say it, bro. Her ass probably ain't even talking on me. I ain't all that goddamn court shit going on. I
In
ain't
the
hearing
last
not
couple of
nothing
years,
about no. I
we made
reject the plea deal. Boy, I'm confused as hell on my mama. See, every video we get to Stay Farm ad. Fuck you, Stay Farm. Catch y'all on the next one.